What's up, madlang people? Kumusta lahat? Hopefully, you are in good health, guys. So, kung baguhan ka sa aking social media, and also sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget like and subscribe. So, guys, money problem. So, our topic is money problem. Where lack of money. So, lagi nating sinasabi, lack of money. Kailangan ko ng kumita ng malaki. Kailangan ko ng malaking sahod. Di ba? Gusto kong mag-apply ng malaki ang sahod. So, yun yung gusto natin eh. So, I am poor. Kailangan kong maraming pera. Di ba? So, this is not like wondering something. Like, kapag lumaki ang sahod ko, naku, marami akong savings, marami akong ma-invest. That's what you think. Okay? Kailangan natin intindihin natin. Kung naintindihan mo ba yung kailangan. So gusto mo bang magkaroon ng ganito, ganito, ganyan. So everyone na nagkaroon tayo ng pangarap, di ba? So, but this is something, there is a rules. Okay? There's a rules. You cannot do this and everything that yun ang gusto mo na sana magkaroon ako ng sana magkaroon ako ng malaking sahod para makapag-save ako, para marami akong perang magagamit na para sa aking future. But literal, hindi mo siya magagawa, guys. Dahil merong isang problema eh. Kaya kailangan natin yung ultimate solutions para sa ating problem, lack of money. Okay? So, now that is not a problem. Lack of money, kulang ang sahod, etc. There's no issue about that. Okay? Kailangan lang natin magkaroon ng financial education. So, bakit natin kailangan ng financial education para sa ating money problem or money issue? Of course, kailangan natin matuto paano natin gagamitin yung pera natin. So, you need to start the financial education. Why? To start your journey. So, that's what we call financial management. Okay? So, itong financial management, hindi ito tinuturo. Kahit sino yung magsabi, mga entrepreneur, mga businessman, philanthropist, hindi yan nagsasabi na itong financial management, tinuturo ito during your education day. Walang nagtuturo nito. Okay? Kaya kailangan natin i-develop natin sarili natin, magbasa tayo ng mga financial books, attending seminars, okay? Talk to the mentors. Saan ka ba pwede makipag-discuss about financial education? Doon sa mga taong may idea about pera, about investment. Ganon ang importante, guys. That's how we cultivate ourselves para yung pera ay maintindihan natin at madali natin na ma-apply sa ating buhay. So that's what we start. That financial management, starting reading books, attending seminars, listening like what you seen right now, what you are watching right now. Kagaya ng mga sinasabi ko dito, marami akong mga pinagsasabi ng mga investment at ideas at learning. So, ganun, para tayo matuto. So, lack of money is not a problem. Alright? So, intindihin natin. So, yun ang natutunan ko way back 4 years and now running 5 years now. So, hindi pa huling lahat, start learning. Alright? So, check it out guys for the next video uploaded. Okay? See you.